am going to introduce to you someone very special. So put your hands together for the world's first superhero, motivational speaker, TMoore The Motivator!
Is everybody ready? Make some noise! Listen, when someone's running on the track and they're running for a long time, what happens? They run out of what? When someone gets on the front of the center and they start going, what happens? They're running out of... And if you run out of breath, you can't do what? Who said that? It was you. I heard it. Come here. This is what I want you to do when it comes to testing, okay? Take the mic, okay? You're gonna repeat after me. Why do we train so hard?
So we can breathe.
Okay, and if we can breathe, we can
think.
And if we can think, we can
Win.
Okay, now I want you to face them. You guys all have to be in sync with us, okay? Here we go. I want you two to take your mic and put it in the air like this. Yep. Why do we train so hard? Why do we need to breathe? Why do we need to think? I want everyone to take their first finger and do this. You two, face me. Take your finger like this. Okay? Now, I want you to take that first finger and look at your fingerprint. Look at your fingerprint. How many people you think have that fingerprint? Okay, so listen to me. It's not about being number one when I say win. You already are one. You already are one person. But when I say win, who can spell the word win for me? Spell it.
W-I-N.
And that means what's important now. So win is what? So when testing gets hard, all you have to do is do W-I-N, which is what? And what's important now is to what? Why do we train so hard? Why do we need to breathe? We think hard to do what? I want you to both get your prizes. So I have a question for both of you. Which one is worth more?
The dollar.
Say it again.
The dollar.
Who agrees? Okay. Now put your hand down. Who says it's the penny?
It depends what penny.
Come here. Come right here. Why'd you say that? No. Take the mic. I want to hear your voice. Your voice is important to me.
There's some pennies that are actually really valuable because they're going out of business.
Now, you are 80% right. Now, can I tell you the answer? The answer, let me see, the penny. The answer is the penny. Can I tell you why? It takes more money to make a penny than it is the dollar. But here's the thing. You see this penny again? A lot of people walk around like this penny and not know their value, their worth. The only way you're going to know your value is a word called effort. Say it with me. Effort. Effort. Now, like this penny, take your finger and put it up in the air. Remember the fingerprint? Hold it nice and high. Guess what? Just like the penny, they stopped making those.
The motivator doesn't just make an intro. His very presence announces a new era. You don't interview him, you encounter him.
When you do the work, you know your value.
And the message remains the same. Honor your name.
So I got a question for you. How can you know that lyric and not know what you want?
Fear being average.
If we're not executing, why are we here?
Guard your purpose.
Why do we train so hard? Why do we need to breathe?
And above all, become the hero.